Hi, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am locked down and bored. I am bored out of my skin. Y'all, before this pandemic thing started, I would go to my brother's every week. We'd go have breakfast. Then after that, I'd go see my sister. I hadn't been able to do that since this pandemic started. I'm kind of, my cancer, my immune system is still low from that. So I got to be very careful where I go and who I'm around. So yeah, this whole thing is just driving me crazy. I wanted to get on here and share it with y'all. I'm going to start doing a series of videos. I'm going to probably do them on Sundays. I'm not sure yet. But it's going to be locked down and bored at home. It's just a way to have something to do, to try to fight this boredom. If I don't do something, it's going to drive me crazy. That's why I'm on YouTube so much. It gives me something to do. Now I've got this channel. It gives me an outlet. So yeah, I'm going to be doing different things around the house, and I'll be having the camera rolling, and I'm going to share it with y'all. Just ways to keep from going crazy. I think I got cabin fever. I'm going to pull an Elvis Presley. I think I'm going to shoot the TV out. I've watched that TV so much. It's crazy, and it's the same thing over and over and over. I'm just so tired of it. I need to get out. We're not really locked down here in Pensacola, Florida. We still got the pandemic going on. And, there's a few places you can go. But it takes money. Nobody's got money right now. So that limits where you can go. And then in my immune system, I got other places I can go, but it's not safe to go there. So I'm locked down at home and I'm bored. I'm glad I got y'all to keep me company. Oh, there's a hummingbird right outside my window. He is so pretty. Man, he's just looking in here at the window at me. Yeah, but come back every Sunday to get these little bored at home videos. This one today, I'm just telling you what I'm going to be doing, but starting next week, I will be sharing activities with you. It could be cooking, could be organizing my closet, could be cleaning out my garage, it could be anything. It's just something to keep my old brain busy so I don't go crazy. Y'all, I love y'all. Y'all have become like my extended family. And I want to thank you for that. Y'all, I make stimulus update videos every day. They go live at 6 a.m. in the morning. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Check those videos out every day. And again, starting, today, every Sunday I want to have this bored at home video. I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.